Today we're just going to take a minute to talk about things you should consider when you want to change out your handlebars. Doesn't matter what bike it is, we're going to talk about those kind of things for whether it's liquid cooled, air cooled, new, old, doesn't matter. Things you should really think about before purchasing your handlebars. And there's a lot of things you want to consider when you're going to get the bars. Do you have ABS? Do you have non-ABS bike? With the ABS line, you're going to have to change your line all the way back to your ABS unit. That's a big job. So do you have the tools to do the job? Most bars require drilling holes in the bar. Do you have the proper drill bits you're going to need? Do you have the skills with the drill to do all this stuff? Do you have a brake bleeder? If you have to change out your brake line, are you going to be able to bleed your brakes? There's a lot of bars that you might seem to think are going to work just because the brake line reaches, but it puts the brake line at such an angle that when you go full right or full left, it might be really tweaking hard on that brake line or the clutch cable for that matter. So these things have to be considered whether or not they need to be changed. And it's a lot bigger job on an ABS as opposed to a non-ABS. You're just going straight down to the caliper. The brake line's a lot easier to do with not as much skills involved, but when you get involved in replacing ABS, it's a lot bigger job. Like I said, drilling out, some bars have wiring that has to go through the bar, so you need to be able to drill out the holes for that. These have alignment pins that you need to get lined up just right to keep your levers to where they're comfortable and stuff like that. Risers. If you're going to run the stock risers, most bars are going to work with stock risers, but if you want to run like a 4-bolt separate risers, some models the spread on there is too wide, and then you try and run them and the bar is too narrow, and now they don't fit into the riser. And you'll see some guys will really tighten down on them and make them work, but they're not right, and you're really stressing that stuff, and that can be a big safety factor. Another thing you want to consider is whether or not you want heated grips on your bike, because if you have heated grips and you're going to change out the handlebars, you're not going to have your heated grips anymore. There's a lot of intricate cutouts and stuff that is involved for the heated grips, and we don't have anything pre-cut for that, and we don't advise anybody doing it themselves because you don't know what integrity is going to be left in the bar when you do that. So no heated grips for handlebar upgrades. So another thing you got to think about is with these controls, a lot of times with some bars, you don't have enough room here before the bend where this clamp is going to land. So that's another thing that you need to consider, because you don't want this clamp ending up on the bend, because now it's going to tweak everything that way, and this could actually crack, and you don't know when it's going to happen. So you want this to be a straight run from here back. It needs to be straight bar. Are you going to run bar end mirrors? Is the bar hollow? What kind of adapter are you going to need to actually put that there? And that's also going to, if you're planning on putting it right on the bar, you're going to have to add that to make sure it's going to clear this bend. With pretty much 99% of the liquid cooled models, we've seen that we have to change this brake line, because the angles that they put them at, as soon as you have a bar that comes, like the Cafe bar comes in a lot more at this angle, and then it wants to put your brake line pointing out that way, and puts a lot of stress on it. When you go full right, then that thing's bending more than 90 degrees, and that's not good. That brake line's going to end up leaking on you, if not just bursting. So a lot of things to consider. That's where we do all the research before we put something on our website to make sure it's going to actually fit, and what other things you're going to need, whether it's clutch cables, brake lines, ABS line, all that stuff. Whether or not you can run bar end mirrors with it, stuff like that. We figure it out all before we start selling it. So that's it's good to know when you go on the website. If we say it's going to fit, it should fit. So another thing you want to consider is tank clearance. A lot of bars, like the Cafe bars that sit low, if you go full turn on there, they may hit, your controls may hit your tank. So on some of those bars, you got to put spacers under the risers, which they don't work on stock, but if you're using our 4 bolts, we have spacers that lock into them in place and raise them up to get you some clearance. Some models, it just won't work, and we say that they don't fit on those models. If it's a model that we haven't tried yet, then I would advise not doing it until you know that it's going to work. If we say it fits, you still want to take your time when you put it on, turn real slow so you don't go smashing into your tank, because you may need to adjust your levers, adjust it at the riser before you go and smash your tank. So a quick rundown, before you get your bars, make sure you have the right tools and the right skills to do it. If you don't, if you're going to get a shop to do it, then I would advise whatever bars you pick out, which you're going to get everything you need in that kit to install it on your bike and it's going to fit. But I would say watch the videos either way. There's a video for each bar kit on how to do it step by step. I know I did the videos. It's good to know even before you bring it to a shop. At least you know what the mechanic is doing, why they may be charging you more money than you think it's worth. It might be a lot more involved than you realize. On that, I would say give us a call if you got any questions, or email us, or leave a comment in the video.